Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. Let's combine different sticker books to make an unexpected spread. Today I am planning for the week of August the 7th, and the primary sticker book I wanted to use was this one. This is seasonal type. It is actually a teacher sticker book, and the page that is inspiring me is, oh, where did it go? This one. I love this page. I think it's cute. I love the watermelons, love the rainbows, and I wanted to see if I could possibly make some of these stickers work in my planner, even though I'm not a teacher. And I thought, you know what? Let's see if we can combine it. Some of the colors are a little bit similar to the Pixar sticker books, so that might be fun to bring in a few of our favorite Pixar characters. And of course, I pulled out Mojo Jojo Plans. Rainbow Boxes has some that I think are going to complement this look really nicely. So I will be using these sticker books. Let's kind of see what we can come up with. I'll put you guys on fast forward. Otherwise, I will link everything that I use down below. Let's go. So the way I see it, there's a few different ways that you can look to combine different sticker books, perhaps some unexpected sticker books. One way is what I'm doing here. I'm kind of going with stickers that are in the same color scheme. There's lots of pastels mixed into bright gear and to seasonal types. So I'm going to be able to go with the color scheme. You could go with a theme. So perhaps you're going with a Halloween theme or a Christmas theme, then these stickers kind of work together really nicely. You can also go with shapes, which is something I have done before. Maybe you're using a ton of circular stickers, or you are using a bunch that are exact squares or hexagons, something like that. That's another way to kind of link sticker books. For me, the easiest way to bring things together is with the color scheme. I think it just kind of makes sense. It makes it easier for your eye to take in and for your brain to kind of compute that even though these images maybe don't always make sense together, I'm using obviously some of the silhouette pictures of the different Pixar characters, even though it doesn't totally like make sense of why those would be near watermelons and rainbows, because they're all in the same color scheme, it starts to compute in your brain a little bit easier. And I like the combo. I like kind of the unexpectedness, but how they can still work together. So I did not realize until I had already started placing these down that only The Incredibles and Finding Nemo have these colorful silhouettes. All of the other characters in the book, they have the black and white drawings of the different characters, but they don't have these color silhouettes, which is something that I really wanted to bring out. I'm putting so much fun and wanted to do a circle of characters, so I'm having to repeat characters. That was not my original intention, but I still think it's fun. I still think it looks pretty good, and it kind of sets the tone for the page. So next we're going to add some functions. Sometimes I don't always go with function next. Sometimes I do a bunch of decorative, and in this case I'm going to go a little bit function heavy and then come back and fill in the decorative. Yes, there's a decorative box right there. It's sunshine and summertime, because this is getting to the last, it's not the last week of summer. My kids go back on August the 21st, but this is our home stretch of summer. So we're going to celebrate all things summer. And then I am so ready for all of the fall themed spreads. Like, give me all of the pumpkin spice and the hoodies. I'm so ready for fall. Let's do it. But before we jump into all things fall, let's celebrate summer just a little bit longer with all of these bright colors. Of course, I love the colors of summer. I'm like a rainbow girl all the way. So I'm starting to put functional boxes. Normally, I would keep most of my functional boxes along the top, but in this case, I knew I wanted to stagger things just because I knew there was going to be some decoration coming in. We do still have activities. It's a weird time of year. I don't know if anyone else experiences this, but I have kids that do a lot of sports. And so it's like the end of summer sports start colliding with the beginning of the fall sports. And so we actually have a lot going on despite it still being summer. So I need plenty of functional boxes. That's where I write all the different practices and in games and things like that, meetings and Zooms that I have for work and for Patreon. All of those need a place to live. So I usually put them in functional boxes. And then what I do is I come back with checklists or bullet points and kind of add in those for tasks. I decided I wanted to make sure I bring in this kind of minty green color. So I grabbed Mojo Jojo's pastel boxes. So now I have two different Mojo Jojo books, two different Bright Year books, just the big and the regular, and then seasonal type. So we're up to 5 sticker books, and I still think they're complementing each other pretty nicely. Putting in stickers for gymnastics, I made sure I had stickers for soccer, and then trying to figure out what else I might want to combine. I decided before I went any further, I wanted to go ahead and put these bullet points in because I have a tendency to get very excited when I start the decoration part of my spreads, like filling in all of the fun decor type stickers that I can sometimes lose functionality. This is going to be a sticker heavy spread. That's what I do. I just love sticker heavy spreads, but I know that this is going to be really functional for me. I actually just filmed a flip through of my whole planner for my Patreon members as an exclusive video, and I'm always surprised at just how much writing goes on these spreads. I use them. This is like a functional spread for me, but I do love all of the stickers as well. At this point, the only Bright Year stickers, the only Pixar stickers that have come in are those silhouettes. Everything else is seasonal type or Mojo Jojo, and so I knew I wanted to bring in a little bit more, so let's bring in Mrs. Incredible over here. We're going to put her right there. Love the rainbow box, totally fits in with the theme, and that'll give me another place to kind of write some weekend plans. We have, my in-laws are coming into town for this weekend, so maybe some plans, some ideas of things we can do, and then I can combine it with the rainbow sticker that says life is sweet. So you can see how they're kind of coming together. This sticker just fit too perfectly right here to not put it there. Vacation days, how cute is that? We generally don't have a lot going on Fridays, so we'll fill that in, balance the rainbow out with a rainbow over on the left side, and now I'm working with that sheet I showed you that was kind of the inspiration for the whole spread. I want to use as many of the stickers on there as possible, and that includes the rainbows and the watermelons, and I want to balance them on either side of the spread. Again, it might seem weird to combine the watermelon with the Pixar, but in the end, I think it kind of comes together really nicely. Okay, there's a sun. Let's layer that with another Pixar sticker. This one says just keep swimming. I'm actually going to cut it. It's a longer sticker. I just want the just keep swimming part. We'll put the sun up here in the corner, layer some stickers together, and let's do them a little wonky just to keep it fun and fresh over there in the corner. And now I'm going to go nuts with this page. I'm going to add the last few little pieces with the rainbow and figure out where I can have that last watermelon. And then it's going to be all about putting these starbursts all over the page. They're my favorite. I love them, and they just fill in the spread so nicely. And you can see I couldn't really start playing with all of the Starburst stickers until I had most of the other stickers down, just because I'm going to use them to fill in some of the white space that kind of goes up near the days, down below. I tend to not keep my stickers within the boxes of the spread. I use those as a suggestion. Otherwise, we go all out, all over the place. And I'm using these to bring a cohesiveness. They are all over the spread, so you're going to see them, and they're bringing the colors around the spread. I love them. I think they're so pretty, and they fill in really, really nicely. Now, once those are down, I do like to have words. I already have some words on the spread, but I love this sticker. It says Summer Days. Yes, it has gold foil, and I haven't really been using gold foil, but that's okay. We're going to bring it in. And because I didn't have gold foil anywhere else, I decided, well, I need another gold foil sticker. So this one is super cute. It says yay. It's going to fit really nicely right under there. I still have room to write, and I have a bunch of boxes up above there. And then a third one, this one says choose joy. And I thought it would be really cute to put over here, maybe as an extra gratitude list or positive things to focus on during the week. But I'm going to white out the first 3 lines on this lined box just so that they don't go through choose joy. How stinking adorable is that? I'm loving how the spread comes together. At this point, I'm realizing that I can fit a few more of those little starbursts kind of around the page. So we're going to do that. And then I wanted to bring in a little bit more of the Pixar. So we have just a few pieces here and there, but let's bring in some more Pixar characters just to fill in and choose from some of the different movies. I love the movie Up, so I definitely look at how cute Love the dog, Doug from Up, so cute. And then I want to include the Up house because it always makes me happy. I have a postcard of the Up house that is in my planner all the time just because it makes me smile. And then, you know, Woody, I kind of want a place for Woody. It's kind of hard to figure out how cute is he. And I mess around with some others, but that is going to be it for this spread. I think it's fun to kind of combine some unexpected sticker books. Let me know what you think down below. Would you have chosen to put these sticker books together? I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. We're having a blast. It is a great community over on Patreon. So make sure to check out the link for that down in the description box below. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.